Well, hello my friends. My name is Jonas and I've just completed a 2-week retreat here at Arkana in the Sacred Valley. A little bit of background about myself. From United States, from the Washington DC area. This is the first time I've ever done something like this, ayahuasca retreat. I've been involved in the retreat space in different contexts, but this is my first time ever doing an ayahuasca retreat, and I cannot speak highly enough of this organization, of how this entire process has been run. Just from the very moment that you walk through the door here, the energy is just so palpable, of feeling welcome, of feeling loved, of feeling supported. The energy in the Sacred Valley, this is a special, special place with ancient history, and it's part of the reason why I felt drawn here as well. And it's just been such a truly, truly incredible, beyond words experience to be here in this setting with an extremely competent, skillful, experienced team supporting the entire this entire process and this exploration of the truly incredible, although sometimes challenging, non-ordinary states of consciousness. So throughout every single ceremony and experience, I really, really felt supported. I really felt safe. I really felt comfortable. I really felt loved in going deep, in letting go, in sort of surrendering to the unknown and seeing where that takes me. Just to reiterate, the medicines that are used here are incredibly powerful, are incredibly sacred, and demand being treated with sincerity, with respect, with humility, with appreciation. And again, I think the team could not have done a better job in doing that, in creating this space. Maestra, the shamans who oversee the ayahuasca ceremonies here again, it's hard to put into words so much of these experiences, but phenomenally skillful, phenomenally powerful, and really just helped me in my process to go deep in terms of healing, in terms of spiritual awakening, in terms of my own inner evolution. I've noticed significant changes in myself since arriving here. I feel a sense of lightness within myself. I feel a sense of groundedness, of presence. These experiences are profoundly healing and help us to release, help us to purge difficult emotional material. I think I have to say I was doing more laughing this week than crying, but the purging happens in many different forms, and it's all healing. It's all good. It's all a cleanse of the nervous system. Another massive change I feel like is a profound spiritual evolution and these mystical type experiences that are really hard to speak about, but when we do experience them, are absolutely life-changing. I felt that I was able to tap into states of consciousness in which I could see what to me felt like past life memories, feeling a sense, undeniable sense that what I am is beyond this one physical lifetime, beyond this one human identity, feeling a profound sense of connection to Pachamama, to the earth, to humanity, and beyond, to source, you could say, to the infinite. And these are all things that are profoundly nurturing and nourishing and nourish the soul on a really deep level that is possible in other contexts, absolutely, but it's very difficult to get to that place. Plant medicine is a phenomenally powerful tool, but again, it's only truly effective if it's used in the right way, in the right context. And again, I can't speak highly enough of the way that Arkana has created this space and the entire team, all the little touches that they do to really make this experience special and to really make us feel at home and welcome and supported here. To anyone who feels sort of hesitant around this experience, first I just want to say I fully understand that. How could we not? I mean, this is a big experience, but I want to also just remind you that those places of anxiety, of discomfort, are our growth edge. Like, this is where we grow and heal and evolve. If we want to continue, if we want to avoid just plateauing in life and continue to work towards self-actualization and do the work on ourselves and show up in the world in a better way, with more kindness, with more love, this is how we do it. We can't just stay in our comfort zone. So really consider where that ambivalence is coming from, where that fear and anxiety is coming from. This is the growth edge, and this is something that we can really lean into. And also know that when we're in a space where you feel at every moment safe and supported, it's much, much easier to lean into that, you know? And the rewards of doing so are great. The rewards of doing so are great. This is an investment in ourselves of just moving towards the fear. As Joseph Campbell says, the cave that we fear to enter holds the treasure we seek. And this is really the core theme in the psychedelic experience, I would have to say, is the ability to relax and move towards discomfort, let go, surrender into the unknown. Life rewards us for these efforts with growth and with healing and with love. Undeniably and very consistently. Some of the highlights from this week, I would have to say, certainly all the plant medicine ceremonies are just truly incredible and phenomenal, and really difficult to put into words, again, like just how profound these experiences are and can be, how profoundly moving they are. The capacities that they open up within us it's pretty miraculous and mysterious, but certainly, like, as much joyous and even euphoric as it can be challenging in equal measures. And all of the ayahuasca ceremonies were incredible, such amazingly profound learning experiences, I would say. Definitely, I had one experience with Sapo, 5-MeO DMT. This was my first time ever trying this medicine. Again, the ceremony was conducted in a way that was absolutely phenomenal. I wouldn't have changed a single thing. I couldn't have asked for anything more. The team is super experienced. They've done this once or twice before, and they know exactly how to help us, how to provide a context, a guiding framework around it, which respects our own space, our own process, but also serves to support us and gives us a shoulder to lean on if and when we need it. And I definitely felt that with the 5-MeO experience. I mean, this is a huge psychedelic journey that requires a degree of surrender, unlike maybe any other experience in life. And it comes so much more naturally with the way that the team facilitated this experience, you know. So that was definitely a highlight. It felt like an out-of-body experience of sort of oceanic awareness. Jonas, my identity, was completely gone. I dissolved into basically oneness with everything, and felt connected to the infinite, you could say. And it's all love. It's all love there. It's all love. What a beautiful gift of an experience to have that. As well, the Wachuma, the San Pedro ceremonies, are just simply incredible. Incredibly joyous, a gentle ride, but one that still goes deep, that still allows us to continue the work, but also with a feeling of lightness, a feeling of connection, a feeling of love. So really, from start to finish, my friends, like from the moment I walked in the door to the end of this retreat experience, cannot recommend this specific retreat, Arkana, here in the Sacred Valley, any more highly. Extremely well organized, well run, with lots of love. You can sense the passion. You can sense the competence, the experience of every one of the facilitators and the whole team, and it really just makes this whole experience a delight. So thank you to this whole organization, and I hope this recommendation is helpful for you in taking a step forward, making an investment of yourself that will pay dividends for the rest of your life. I can promise you this. The cave you fear to enter holds the treasure you seek. So wish you all the best, and thank you.